Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is a room tour. So this is my room in C block. When you enter the room, towards the right of the door, you have all the switches in the room. And below that we have a storage space. I use this to store my utensils, my shoes, my chappals and other things like my shampoo, conditioner, face wash, detergent, containers and some random stuff. This is the night light. As the name suggests, we use it at night. Near the storage space, we have the bed unit. In a single unit, there is a bed, a cupboard and a table. So all of these come together as a single unit. As you might know, my roommate recently moved out. So in this 2-bed AC room, I'm staying alone. That's why you see my things in both the spaces. The cupboard is spacious. It has 4 different sections. You can hang your clothes in one of the sections. The table comes with 6 different compartments. So the first one I use to store my perfumes and jewelry boxes, and the second one is which I love the most. It is the best part of this room. This is my cute little tea station, or maybe you can call it as the coffee station. So I store my snacks, the mug, coffee powder, tea powder and all those things there. And then this is where I store all the bottles, and this is the charging station. And then we have my bag over there, and this is where I store all the shades and my spectacle boxes, calculators, and here I store my speaker and all those things. This is the desk light that comes attached with the unit. In a room, there'll be a single mirror. Even in 4 bedrooms in C block, there's only one mirror. So you'll have to share it with your roommates. If you're wondering what this green net is for, it's because half of the C block is for girls and half of it is for boys. The one you see now is the boys' side. So for better privacy, they've installed these green nets. Below the window, there is a storage space. In B block, the 2 bedrooms have normal beds. I've uploaded a video of my previous rooms tour in this channel, so if you want to check it out, I'll add the link in the description box. In C block, all the rooms have bunker beds. 2 bedrooms are quite small compared to 4 bedrooms or 6 bedrooms, but if you're someone who loves privacy and want to have their own individual space, then 2 bedroom is the best option for you. During weekdays, the AC will be switched on from 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. and during weekends, that is on Saturdays and Sundays, the AC will be switched on the entire day. You can't control the temperature, so that is a problem, but you can switch it on or off as per your convenience. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you all liked the video. If you guys have any advices or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end. See you soon. Bye bye.